Okay, so hello girls, and today we're going to start with the first class of second term. So we're going to have a meeting at Zoom where we're going to work on the book, and I'm going to explain through this video the topic which belongs to Unit 3, okay, where we're going to work on phrasal verbs and in past perfect, okay. So I'm going to be uploading videos in order to uh, understand the topics, and in case we need to review, we're going to do it, okay. Additionally, I'm going to share some the PowerPoint presentations which allow you to understand the topics and watch them once and again in case you need it. And I always upload links and things which are helpful, okay. So let's start. So the aim for this topic is to use phrasal verbs to talk about house chores. Okay, so house chores are the housework that you have to do. So these days you are doing a lot. I guess that your mom makes you clean the house and make your bed, and I don't know, throwing out the things that doesn't work anymore. And those are the chores that we're going to work on in the unit 3 of the book. Okay. So here is it, the phrasal verbs, okay? So what a phrasal verb is? A phrasal verb is a verb which is joined with a preposition, and that verb and the preposition is going to change the meaning. I don't know. For example, we have many phrasal verbs that we use regularly. The only point is that some phrasal verbs are very difficult, okay? I don't know. One common phrasal verb is sit down. You see, sit is the verb, down is the preposition. If I join those two words, the meaning is going to be different. No, or stand up, that is another phrasal verb. Or I don't know, give up. I don't know, give. The meaning of give is dar, no, But if I join give with up, is darse por vencido. So we're going to check some phrasal verbs in order to have like a more common idea. I remember that last year we studied some phrasal verbs also, and even though we studied phrasal verbs with get and look, which are the ones that we're going to study here, okay? So we have here some comments. So break down, which has two meanings, which are overcome on when something um, stop working, no? Break up is dissolve something. Break up is scatter. I don't know, when you're married and you had a fight with your wife, you're breaking up. So the relationship is ended. So bring up, which is educate, come across, which is finding, cut off, interrupt something. If I'm calling someone and I don't know, the internet goes out, it's because the call is cut it off. Nah? Drop him, which is visit by surprise. Um, get over is recover. I don't know, if I feel sick and I start to feel better, is because I'm getting over. Find out, which is discover something. Get through, which is connecting something or going by a way. Gone down, it's like decreasing something, no? So in this case, his voice is going down. Grew up, which is the action that everybody does, because when you are a baby, you start to grow up until the moment you're an adult. Hold on, which is waiting or keep a connection with something. Look after, which is take care of somebody. Look back, so review the events that happened in the past. Look for, which is searching for something. Look into, investigate something. Look over, which is examining what is around us or one specific object. Look around, which is quite similar now. So we're going to have here some samples of phrasal verbs, such as break up, which we already see it. So break up is breaking a relationship. And we have here some common phrasal verbs also. I'm sorry. Turn around, take off, put up, throw away, look for, try on, pick up, get on, switch on, run out of, speak up, and break up. We are going to see them in some samples also, okay? So, Mike, can you please speak up? I can hear you. Turn around. Any change from one thing to the opposite, okay? So turn around, so switching something. Take off. So when the airplane is leaving, it's because it's taken off. Put on, I don't know, put something in a specific place. Throw away, like in this case, they are throwing away the garbage, or you threw away money because you're wasting opportunities, wasting your money on things you don't need. You're experts on it. Look for, which is searching, we already see it. Try on. I don't know, when you go to a store and you think that that t-shirt is not going to fit you, you have to try it on because probably it's going to fit. Okay, so pick up, which is what your mom has to do every single morning with your clothes is on the floor, or in my case, my mom has to do it. And get on. Get on is like going into a bus, okay? Switch on, like switch, and the switching lane, you have to switch on and switch off to start, switch on, switch off to finish, you know. Run out of is when something, when you don't have something anymore. I don't know. I can believe we run out of gas. So what it happens, the car, it doesn't have more gas in this moment. Or I don't know, if I don't have more rice at home, is because the rice run out. So I run out of rice because I don't have any more. Okay. And so we have here some samples. For example, hi John, what time will you go to school? Can you please speak up? Oh, what do you think you're doing? I am turning on, which is the action of switching, to take a selfie in the classroom. Here we have another sample. Fasten your seat belts. The flag is taken off now. All right, thank you. Please, can you try on these shoes if they are okay for you? Okay, I think is one good for me. And here we have another sample. Mike, what are you doing on the floor? In this case, he's picking up documents because those are on the floor. Be fast and get on the bus if you not will be late. Okay, so get on is when you take the bus. Okay. Why are they pushing the car? They think they have run out of gas. No, because the gas has finished. Okay, so and here I'm not going to show you this, but this is for you to practice in the PowerPoint presentation. Is uploaded in the information from today's class, and you're going to have the opportunity of practicing with those phrasal verbs. And additionally, at the end of the presentation, you're going to go and you're going to see some household chores that you have to do at home now. So you're going to learn vocabulary that we are going to study in our meeting and Zoom. So remember that you have to connect at Zoom, and we're going to work in base of phrasal verbs and household chores. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you have understand, and any doubt that you have, please write to me and I will help you. Okay, bye guys.